Teeth aren't just for decoration, they are emotional tools as well. One line can make your character angry, cheeky, or happy. Look, I show you. Gritting teeth, one zigzag line sells it. Yes, the lips can suggest it too, but the teeth bring the drama here. Awkward or smug smile. Show both upper and lower teeth with one simple, slightly tapered line. Laughing? Separate the upper and lower teeth. More space, more chaos. And if you want to be a bit more precise, you can leave a small gap between the upper teeth and the corner of the mouth. It's quick, but it looks more believable. The good news is you don't need to be good at drawing teeth. You just need to stop drawing them individually. Why? Because it's easier, simpler, and more cartoonish. Exactly what we want. I'm not saying individual teeth are wrong or don't look good. Sometimes that's exactly the style we want. But if you're a beginner, starting simple is usually much easier and less stressful. And this isn't about laziness. It's about clarity and simplicity. Because when you draw teeth, you can often suggest them with just one simple line in the right spot. And that single line can even hint at the lower teeth, like you just saw, and you're done. And if you want to learn more about cartoon mouths, watch the full tutorial where we explore how the lips change from the tiniest smile to big laughter and across all kinds of emotions. See you there.